What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto with Boss Lee. Now, today I want to talk to you about Gains Network. Now, they have a interesting product called Gains Trade. So, this is a synthetic exchange built for leverage traders on the Polygon chain. Now, there are a lot of platforms trying to do this. Let's see how they are able to differentiate themselves. Now, first, let us take a look at the product. Now, when it comes to leverage trading, there are a few key points that traders are concerned about. I think number one will be price, or rather the scam week. Now, this is a situation where someone or the exchange purposely created to trigger the stop losses, and this will result in massive buy or sell. And it's called scam week because it looks something like this. You can see this very thin line. Now, usually this kind happens on centralized exchange. In fact, many of the exchange that support futures trading have this issue. Now, Gains tackle this problem by building a custom DON enabled by Chainlink. A custom DON is actually a decentralized Oracle network to provide real-time prices to the traders. So this is how it works. Whenever an order needs to be executed on the platform, the trading contract requests the spot price from the aggregator contract. Now, this aggregator contract then requests the price from the 8 different on-demand Chainlink nodes. Then each of the Chainlink node takes the median price from the 7 different exchange API and then sends the result back to the aggregator contract. Now, this is then compared with the Chainlink price feed, and if there is any difference more than 1.5% from the Chainlink price feed, then this will reject the node answer and waits for the next answer before providing back to the trading contract. This ensures that the trader actually get a real and fair spot price. And also, because it's built on the Polygon chain, it has cheap gas fee, which allows the platform to do frequent calls so that it can reflect the best price to the traders. Now, another problem that traders face is low liquidity, and to solve for this, Gains use GNS token to build up its liquidity. Now, a reminder, the trades and leverage that you do on Gains are syntactic. So for example, when you trade ETH, there's no real spot if there is being bought or sold. There are 2 votes that is supporting the Gains Trade platform, the GNS Dai pool to act as the liquidity and the trading vote. Now, when you enter a trade, you actually deposit DAI into the trading vault. Now, when you exit with your profit and loss from the trading vault as well. Then what is the role of the GNS DAI pool? This is where it gets interesting. Now, the DAI trading vault is maintained at 110%, which is 10% over characterized. Now, if the trading vault exceeds 110%, now the extra DAI is being used to buy the GNS from the liquidity pool, and the GNS is burned. Now, if the trading vault falls below 100%, now GNS is minted and sold for DAI to top up the trading vault. This also means that there is a buying pressure on the GNS token if there are more traders winning and losing, making GNS token deflationary. Now, the data also supports this. Indeed, since the start of the project till now, there are more traders losing than winning. Now, this is not to say that the platform is making up tricks, because all these are powered by smart contract, but it is that statistically more traders lose than win. So with this unique setup, right, custom price feed, own liquidity built on Polygon, they are able to give you a wide selection of assets. So you can trade crypto and you can also trade forex. It ensures that you get a fair spot price and allows you to do high leverage up to 150x. Now, let us take a look at fees and NFT, and you must be wondering why NFT is coming into the picture for a leverage trading platform. So for the fees, you are looking at 0.06% to 0.08% for maker and taker, and there are no funding fee. However, please take note that there is a small spread that you need to account for. Typically, this spread is about 0.025%. Now, when it comes to NFT, when you buy a Gains NFT, it comes with some interesting features that currently the bronze level is going off at 1.14 ETH on the OpenSea. Now, the NFT has some real DeFi use cases. So for example, you can lower the spread fees, and you are also able to run a bot to execute liquidation and limit order, as well as the ability to boost your liquidity pool rewards. Let us take a look at the tokenomics and stats. So the platform actually launched on January 2021 on the mainnet, but it has the problem because of the high gas fee. So actually, they transited over from the mainnet over to the Polygon chain, and they did a 1 to 1000 split. That means for every GFARM2 token, there will be 1000 GNS. So right now, the total supply of GNS is 38.5 million. The maximum supply that it can go is 100 million. And GNS is built to be deflationary, so as more traders lose, more GNS tokens are being burned. So here are some interesting stats. So for a trading platform, one of the key revenue is the fees earned. So from inception till now, it has made about 2.8 million, and the growth from December last year to February this year has accelerated. So there is also a growing trade volume, 5 billion accumulative from the start. And another interesting insight is that there is also a growing number of users. So with increasing fee earned, growing volume and growing users, these are pointing to that the project might have found a product market fit. And for the roadmap, there's a long list of tasks that they are looking to add. So from adding more crypto assets to GNS single staking and multi-chain expansion. They are also planning to go into a decentralized casino. Now here is a comparison between the market leaders. So for Gain, market cap is still relatively small to the market leader like DYDX. It will be interesting to see if it can capture some of the market share from the leaders. So one of the concerns I have here is that most of the liquidity are on the mainnet, and so building out on Polygon might have a liquidity challenge. So let us now do a quick walkthrough on the platform. Now this is the G-Trade platform. You can choose to trade between crypto or forex. Now you can easily start with 35 DAI. Just need to set your collateral and your leverage. You can go up to 150x, put in your stop loss and set your take profit, and you are ready to go. So it's quite a simple UI. Now you can also explore this tab called practice. This will be on the Polygon testnet. So here you can try out your TS skill set before going to live. Now if you are into yield and not trading, then you can explore staking, and this is where you can contribute liquidity into the GNS Dai pool and also the trading bot. So right now the trading bot is giving a 10% APY, and for the liquidity pool at 47%. Now here is an interesting metric called inflation rate. And now this inflation rate is actually for the GNS token. Right now it is deflationary because it is minus 25%. Finally, if you are interested in the platform performance and the stats are used, you can click on statistic, and this will bring you to Dune Analytics, and here you can see the stats of the platform. Now here are some of my thoughts. So I really like the idea of using own token to provide liquidity because this helps to onboard more assets and also making it deflationary. The UI for the platform is also relatively simple. It is also quite smart to provide NFT because it gives more feature set for traders, and you can also set up a trading bot. Now the business stats is also pointing to a product market fit, right? Increasing user, increasing trade volume, and earning more fees. Now my concern is that liquidity is mostly on the mainnet, which is the Ethereum chain, but as a trading platform you will want more users and you want more users to trade more. But if they are able to do multi-chain, it will be interesting to see how much liquidity they will be able to suck in. Now the last thing to share is disclosure. I'm not vested yet, so this is just sharing with you more about the Gains Network. If you are interested in Gains, then you can follow Gains Network on Twitter. It also has a very vibrant Discord community. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.